If you're looking for the best entry-level smartphone, go no further than the all-new Tecno Spark 90. In this video, I'll share my thoughts on why this is the best entry-level device you can acquire right now. Hey guys, Fred's Tech Up here, and in today's video, I'll be unboxing and reviewing the all-new Tecno Spark 90. Interestingly, Fireboy DML has been named the brand ambassador for the Spark series. It wasn't a mistake to call the Tecno Spark 90 the best entry-level device because not only does it have the finest selfie camera in its price category, it also comes with a high refresh rate, large battery capacity, and looks that complements all of its features. Before we go ahead with the review, let's have a look at the content of the box. The unboxing experience is similar to that of the Spark 9 Pro I reviewed some days ago. If you haven't seen that video yet, I have links to it in the description box below. The first thing you notice when you open the box is a smartphone wrapped in plastic with a major highlight of the device, as well as a 12 plus 1 month warranty card, a plastic case with a Spark inscription. Next is a pair of earphones, a USB Type-C charging cable with a 10 watts charger, as well as a SIM ejector tool. Now moving on to the design and build quality of the Spark 90, it features an ultra slender design that is both sleek and gorgeous. I really like how it looks. I like the fact that it doesn't have a camera bump. However, the downside about the design of the Spark 90 has to be the glossy back cover that shows smudges and fingerprints all over. You have to be cleaning this thing every now and then to keep it clean. Thankfully, it comes with a silicone case that actually looks nice and will also prevent it from smudges. The back and frame of the device are made from plastic but designed to look like glass. It looks like a premium smartphone for an entry-level device. I like that it is not too big to hold for a 6.8-inch smartphone. It has a compact and solid feel to it. The power button and the volume controls are located at the right side of the device. The power button also functions as a fingerprint scanner, and it is fast and responsive. A SIM card tray on the left will hold 2 nano SIM cards as well as a micro SD card. As you can see, the bottom of the phone has a headphone jack, a microphone, a USB Type-C charging port, and a speaker grill, leaving the top plain. In terms of sound quality, the Spark 90 has a single downfire range speaker that will be okay for some people, or should I say be sufficient for some users. However, a stereo setup would have been the best for a much better experience. Since the main highlight of the new Spark series is the selfie camera, Tecno decided to give the rear camera a 13 megapixels and a 32 megapixels for the selfie camera, which is kind of strange. How on earth will a selfie camera have a higher megapixels count than the main camera? Well, I guess these days people use the selfie camera more than the rear camera, mostly for TikTok, Snapchat, and Instagram Reels. The device also comes with a 2 megapixel depth sensor and a VGA sensor for low light detection. Funny enough, those extra 2 sensors don't really count that much. On the front side of the device, the Tecno Spark 90 has a 6.6-inch HD Plus display with a teardrop notch. It has a resolution of 720 by 1612 and a pixel density of 267. The brightness level is capped at 480 nits. The display is sharp, bright, and delightful for consuming media content such as watching TikTok videos, YouTube videos, and general media consumption. It has a 90 Hz high refresh rate, which makes scrolling and navigating through the user interface feels fast. 2 flashlights are also located at the top of the display for night selfies. Moving on to performance, the Tecno Spark 90 comes with an Octa-core Mediatek Helio G37 processor, paired with 4 GB of RAM and 128 GB of internal storage for the unit that I have here. It's a 12nm processor that is capable of handling day-to-day tasks. Even though the G series of Mediatek processor is touted as a gaming processor, the Helio G37 is not a gaming beast by any means. It is, however, still a good mid-range gaming processor. As shown in this video, I carried out some benchmark tests and the result shows that the system can handle most 3D games with low to medium graphics settings. I played Call of Duty Mobile and the gameplay was fine with most graphics settings set to low. However, I had the best experience with it playing 2D games such as Candy Crush and Subway Surfers. Multitasking, opening apps, and overall performance are all decent, with 4 GB of RAM and memory fusion technology, which adds an additional 3 GB of RAM for a total of 7 GB. Managing background apps and multitasking is smooth. Now, when it comes to software, the Spark 90 comes with Android 12, but with a custom software, which is Tecno's iOS 8.6. It has some new features as well as improved user experience. The settings panel can be accessed by swiping from the top right corner, while the notification center can be accessed by swiping left. There are also some new UI improvement in the settings menu as well. Bluetooth, however, is something you can't do without in today's smartphone, and the Spark 90 here is not an exception. For a far better experience, you might want to do some clean up by deleting some of the unwanted apps. On the camera aspect, the 30 megapixels camera of the Spark 90 produces good looking daytime images with a satisfying degree of clarity, vivid colors, great dynamic range, and correct exposure. This demonstrates how well Tecno has optimized the new Spark series, but I still believe there is room for improvement. I like how detailed and vivid most of the images appears, which makes them appear more realistic. Portrait photos are also nice, but not the best I've seen in a mid-range smartphone. The 32 megapixel selfie camera is the device's main selling point, and I'm quite impressed with it. The selfie camera is amazing and dynamic range appears to be decent as well. I like how the selfie camera can capture more details and how well the colors are reproduced. Selfie portraits are also good, though not the best that I've seen. About video, it records video at 1080p resolution with no video stabilization. However, the footage looks nice and I like it. What up guys, first take up here. So this is a front facing camera of the Tecno Spark 90, currently shooting in 1080p 30 frames per second. The weather is not too friendly today. As you can see, the footage looks great, it looks okay. But what do you guys think? What do you guys think about the video quality and the audio quality? Kindly let me know down in the comment section below. I like the skin tone, it looks okay, but let me hear your thoughts down below, okay? Okay, now moving on to the battery, the Tecno Spark 90 comes with a 5000 mAh battery, which I believe will be more than enough for an average user. On a single charge, it can easily last a whole day. One of the downsides of the Spark 90 has to be the bundle slow 10-watt charger, which can take forever to charge from 0 to 100%. Okay, to be specific, it took about 3 hours plus, which I feel will be a turn off for some people. So at the beginning, I said it is the best entry-level device you can get right now. As you can see, the Spark 90 comes with plenty of unique features such as high refresh rate, amazing performance, a large storage capacity, and a very good selfie camera. At 78,300 naira for the 64GB variant or 88,000 naira for the 128GB variant, you can hardly find a deal like this elsewhere, which is why I recommend you check it out if you ever want a phone in this price range. So that is it from me guys. Kindly share your thoughts with me in the comment section below. Let's discuss. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel, and I'll talk to you in the very next one. Bye bye.